Welcome to TRADESPOTTIng GME and AMC TA from a Pro.
The world was on fire and no one could save me but you. Arrange what desire will make foolish people do. I never dreamed that I'd meet somebody like you. I never dreamed that I'd lose somebody like you. Now I don't wanna fall in love. No, I don't wanna fall in love with you. With you. What a wicked game to play to make me feel this way. What a wicked thing to do, to let me dream of you. What a wicked thing to say. You never felt this way. What a wicked thing to do, to make me dream of you. Now I don't wanna fall in love. No, I don't wanna fall in love. No, I don't wanna fall in love with you. With you. The world was on fire and no one could save me but you. Strange what desire will make foolish people do. I never dreamed that I'd love somebody like you. I never dreamed that I'd lose somebody like you. No, I don't wanna fall in love.
What's up, Sauce?
No,
Scotland is always there. Just have to look inside yourself.
fall in love.
The fuck is that? Come on. Hold on, I got an air compressor running in the background. Hold my keyboard, I'm going in.
Nobody loves no one. that loud.
I sold Mario Kart Double Dash for the GameCube for $40,
No.
which is its full value.
No.
I sold the Power Rangers.
No one's here about your Mario Double Dash. I sold Mario on whatever. How's everybody's day today? Hope it's good sauce. You still slinging the food today or what? You done for the night? Actually, it's probably only like 2:30 there. Yeah. Huh? He's down there for about 30 minutes hitting. How's everybody doing? Oh. Jamie comes on. I'm probably just gonna. Everybody can go watch Jamie, and I'm just probably gonna play some Halo and watch Jamie at the same time. I can't wait. Coinbase or Binance? Coinbase. Yo, what's up, Wolfric? How we doing? Oi, oi, oi. Waiting on that man to come online so we can watch him. Well, I'm gonna watch him, and you guys are gonna go over there and watch him. That is trade spotting we're talking about, anyways. How's everybody doing? How's everybody's day? Hopefully it was a better day. It was kind of my portfolio looked a lot better today, that it wasn't all like bleeding red. It was actually green today. Oh man, what a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Oh no! Why did he cut him off? that works. I am doing great, man. I'm blessed. Blessed. How are you guys? We got Bulldog. Should we start a production company? I'm throwing myself there because of my killer personality and knowing some folks. Should we start a production company? What kind of production company are you thinking about? Yeah. I'm gonna start a production company too. Producing more money in my pocket. Product more money in my pocket.
Charts make you feel like this? Everyone today seems to be hunting for that latest indicator that's going to make them a millionaire.
You know what? You haven't checked out Rocky Outcrop's flash indicator then. So, old man, get out of here.
That's how we all should be feeling.
Calling that victory.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky.
Hey, look at this. It's very spy.
You know how I feel.
7 months ago?
Reeds drifting on by, said you know
No.
what I feel.
You know what? You know what? You know how I feel?
It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life for me.
$1,420. It's not unreal.
Let's. Anybody want to watch some old school trace spotting with me? You guys down to watch some old school? Look at this dude. Look at this Hampton feller. I have my recorder. I have no talent like that at all. You know what kind of musical talent I have is? It's this. And it's not very good, you know what I'm saying? It's not good. That's the most musically inclined you'll ever see me right there. It's like, that was the hardest I've ever tried to be musically inclined. Is that whistle. Otherwise, I just kind of look at everybody else that does it and like, yep, that's you. That's your stuff. That's what you was born. That was what you was meant to do. Me, I'm still trying to figure out what I'm up. Is that trace spotting? Is that trace spotting?
Hey everyone, this is John from Simpler Trading. So, I'm finishing up today.
Hey John, I don't want to talk to you. Get out of here. Oh no. How do I? Oh. Get out of here. 34 minutes? Okay. Well, guys who don't watch this,
GME,
let's watch this.
Mother of all short squeezes, explained like you're 5. And
Explain like you're 5.
Stop of 69,420.
What?
It's not unrealistic. It's in fact quite reasonable.
What? Moaz Eli 5. You guys remember this? Only old school heads remember Eli 5.
This isn't financial advice. This is just one ape to another, freely expressing my opinion on a stock. What's your opinion? Please let me know in the comments. And let me know what you think of the latest news about GameStop paying down their debt note ahead of schedule.
They did.
And the details regarding the share recall. Does this strike you as the behavior of a stock operator, perhaps? More on the man behind the curtain and the person truly driving the short squeeze in next week's video. So subscribe for that. But without further ado, this is the mother of all short squeezes explained like you're 5. Stage 1. We've already passed stage 1 with flying colours. Large financial institutions, let's call them hedge funds, went short on GME, buying more shares than are available to buy. We proved in previous videos that there are still outstanding naked short positions. There will come a day when these short transactions need to be closed, at which point they will need to locate and deliver a share for every share that's short to whomever is on the other side of the transaction.
Kevin beats the crooks up bad.
Used a bunch of junk to protect his pad.
Freeform's 25 days of Christmas.
What?
Are you ready to bake?
No,
Join,
I'm not.
get perks,
I don't want to hear
become a
commercials.
channel member.
And I don't want to pay YouTube to not hear them.
The mere suggestion
Yes, we're
of
back.
this narrative already led the GME price to all-time highs at over $400. If those shorting GME don't locate and deliver a share by the settlement date, T+2, then they hit a pre-failure to deliver deadline, at which point they have a further working week to locate and deliver a share. Otherwise, they'll break the SEC short selling regulations and meet an official failure to deliver deadline, which would result in a fine. Persistently failing to deliver will
Result in a fine. I
in
think
their
we've seen
trading
that fine
licenses
before.
being revoked and then being banned from operating on those markets. Bearing this in mind, we've seen lots of underhand tactics from hedge funds trying to obfuscate their short position. They've manipulated data available to aggregation services and short reporting services, even via exchanges, so that we've been unable to properly assess the open interest. They've hid their short positions in ETFs so as to create imbalances in the market. And they've rolled outstanding short positions through deep in-the-money call options in order to reset the failure to deliver countdown. But in all of these actions, they have stage one and signposted the road ahead for the mother of all short squeezes. Stage 2. As prices begin to rise, various short positions will reach their tolerance level. But the liquidation of short positions won't happen all at once. More likely, it will happen in various stages. Different short positions are able to tolerate prices at different levels. I've demonstrated in previous videos that my technical analysis is more than statistically reliable, and I've shown that prices are likely to rise to approaching $600. Remember, this isn't financial advice, Ape Gang. I'd hardly do that for free on YouTube, would I? I can't actually even get a like and subscribe over here. To fund these increasingly expensive purchases of GME, hedge funds are going to have to sell every single asset they own in their entire portfolio. That is, every other share they have in every other company, fund or partnership is going to have to be sold to fund purchases of shares in GME. Every building they work in, every asset they have, every dollar is going to need to go towards this. Because even closing some of their positions above $600 will cause catastrophic and cascading effects across the rest of their portfolio. Companies tend to go bust when debts become due, so we're likely to see these events happen in around the dates where contracts expire and where failure to deliver deadlines are met. But we cannot predict how something else will behave when it is determined beyond all logical and rational reason to escape from reality. Stage 3. The price move and selling activity that these events will create is a profit signaling mechanism to everybody from your everyday ape to your once in a blue moon shark. At this stage, those companies that are vulnerable will turn on each other as they're open to new vectors of attack, shorting the assets on their balance sheet, tapping up their staff and their clients. Their obligations will all be called in and their cash flow will dry up. This will likely lead to multiple actors declaring bankruptcy in a cascading and consequential fashion. But this doesn't change the market rules. All shares that are short will need to locate and deliver in order to close out that short transaction. So the search will go on and the tab will be picked up by the clearinghouse. The clearing process is another name given to the settlement process. Clearinghouse guarantees that all brokers' contractual obligations will be squared off against each other. For efficiency reasons, it's also the central depository for securities. This is how it derives its name as the Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation. So as you can see, it's a corporation, not a government institution, which has members who are responsible for the provision of services and the liabilities that those incur. These liabilities are mitigated not legally but practically via a liquidity deposit, which is determined by the risk level of each member. This has recently been updated and clarified in rule changes DTCC 2021-003 and 004 and NSCC 2021-005, as covered in previous videos. But the DTCC's ultimate financial liability is not limited in legal terms. Rule NSCC 2021-801, likely to be implemented between 420 and the 6th of the 5th, will require members to supplement their liquidity deposits daily, even hourly if needed, in order to avoid a margin call, and that in the event of any default, all liabilities will be met first by member deposits. Ultimately, the DTCC must underwrite and meet the obligations of all of its members. But rather than being a well-run and trusted impartial government institution, as one might have expected of somebody who performs these important roles, they are in fact a private corporation who are subject to allegations of fraud, naked short selling, conflicts of interest, having created monopolies, and allegedly diverting order flow. So even if they have the means to persuade diamond hand GME holders to part with their coveted shares, then there's absolutely no guarantee that they're going to decide to do so. They are a private corporation after all. At this stage, we could see the beginning of a parabolic rise and the start of the mother of all short squeezes on GME. There will be no new shares entering circulation. There'll be intense price pressure from all of the short positions closing. It's very difficult to persuade a diamond-handed ape to part with his shares when he can see that the price is clearly going up. And the option chain is already filled with re-ups and market makers trying to balance their positions. At this point, prices could easily fluctuate 10x, and I'm talking about starting from a position of $600 to $1,000. Stage 4.
I've had students pulling over $100,000 and have seen their portfolios rise by over
4. This is where
That guy sucked ass. I literally hate commercials, sorry. That guy sucked ass. Everybody falls for that stupid shit.
be thinking about taking profit. I'm not talking about when prices are above $600. I'm talking about the exponential rise we'll see due to the lack of liquidity above 1,000. Shares will be in high demand from all market participants. At this point, prices could go to theoretically infinite levels if the DTCC is trying to close out positions on behalf of its members, regardless of the cost of those shares, and diamond hand apes are holding on for dear life. In these wild price fluctuations, I pick $69,420 as good a number as any, and the more I consider the market dynamics, the more I think perhaps I'll leave some of my money on the table and not take all of my profits off until we reach $350,000. Who's going to pay for it? Well, we've seen first it'll be the hedge funds, voluntarily, or they'll be forced. Then the DTCC. If its members don't make the decision on their own, it'll be made for them. But even the DTCC can't absorb indefinable losses for indefinite amounts of time. So this leaves the US government to bail out the system and bring confidence back to the market. They have previous of this in 2008 when they bailed out the banks during the financial crisis. More recently in their provisions for overnight corporate debt, treasury bond purchases, equity purchases, stimulus checks. More of the same will happen this time, only it won't just be the hedge funds who benefit by having their positions bailed out. It'll be us, apes, who've held on to GME. So the too long didn't watch 60-second breakdown, which I'll link in the chapters below, is this. TradeSpotting believes 69,420 is a realistic target due to market dynamics. The price of GME doesn't have to be bought up by new market entrants because there is already a short imbalance. New rules will expose this short imbalance, leading to covering and displacement, which causes prices to rise. These price rises will cause some positions to be liquidated. The profit signaling mechanisms that this causes will draw in institutional-sized funds. The mechanics of the DTCC will result in some important liquidity providers being exposed to exponential risk. The US government will intervene, seeking to help those hedge funds that are too big to fail in exchange for some transparency and immediacy over the settlement process. GME apes will look back and tell their grandkids about that
Hey,
time they saved the rainforest.
Wolfric.
For more on
34
GME,
minutes
tune
into
into
it?
my
Okay.
next video on why the mother of all short squeezes hasn't happened yet, and subscribe for unique content on GME such as who is really causing the short squeeze, the man behind the curtain. If you're looking for the TA to back this up, it's in all my previous videos, which are evergreen and entertaining, so definitely check them out. If you want to be able to do this TA for yourself, check out Rocky Outcrop's channel on YouTube, where he teaches you live and will give you an example on any asset you like for free. That's pretty good stuff. This channel is about YOLO trades that may change your life, but none of it is financial advice. Do your own research, make your own decisions. If you want to support the channel, you can like this video, watch some more.
All right. What do you think about all that, huh? What do you think about all that? That's pretty good. How do we get a fucking mom? I'm in the middle of streaming, Mom. You should know this. I'm not gonna answer. Totally rude. 34. Yeah, 33. Let's go 33.
The next episode in TradeSpotting's commentary of
Watch The Bachelor.
Oh yeah.
live.
You guys want to watch The
ABC,
Bachelorette? That's
YouTube TV. Try it free.
fucking fannies. Like, come on. No one cares. Like, honestly, does any
the greatest story
like
ever.
this is a serious question. I got 4 people in chat that says, "Are you 4 people? How many of y'all really fucking watch ads?" Like, I think I was of a company. It'd be like the biggest blow of money ever is ads. Maybe that's just my perspective, but ads are like the worst thing ever. I think everybody tunes out of like whatever's on when ads come on. But anyways, that's my rant. Ads suck. You know what really grinds my gears?
We're told what comes next for our company. Well, here's one scenario, right?
More
Here's
Hot
one
Pockets.
scenario. We all turn into paper-handed bitches. And we think when the price gets to $69,420, which it's gonna, we think, fuck, I actually am not an ape. I'm a paper-handed bitch. And I need to sell the greatest ticket to the greatest story, to the greatest show ever made. I need to sell that. Like I need to do that. So and fair play, mate. Okay, see you later, right? See you later. And we hold, right? Some of us hold, right? Like that's one story of what could come next for perhaps for you as an ape, right? Or maybe, right? Prices at 69,420. That's just a cassette change, right? Play. And the tunes start going again. And this time, right? This time, you realize what we're watching right now, what got us to 69,420, that was a dress rehearsal. That was a dress rehearsal, apes. That was just the beginning, right? Then you think, look at the story here, right? Look at the logic of this situation. Who is it that owns this company with us, right? It's you. It's the guy sitting next to you. It's your brother, who you told to get in back in January, right? It's people in your family. It's your neighbors. It's your colleagues. It's the other people watching this stream. It's people watching other streams like this. Right? We put our suits on, and we pick up our fucking violins and our cellos, and some of us are on wind instruments. Yeah, some of us are on the fucking saxophone. And we start it again. Because none of us were fucking paper-handed bitches. And not only that, we looked around and we saw who was in else with us. Not only was it me, you, your brother, your sister, your cousin. the people who work for you, the people you work for. Not only was it the people that run the local services at your every community that you depend on, every service you go, not is it the man and woman doing that job. It's also two of the biggest hedge funds in the world. And how do the two of the biggest hedge funds in the world operate? Do you think they do it with paper-handed bitch is working for them? Do you think that they take all of their fucking gains and they turn it all into paper-handed bitch money and put it in a fucking suitcase and put it in a safe and lock the door? Do you think that's how hedge funds work, you fannies? And that's what the paper-handed bitches think. No, it isn't. I'll tell you what hedge funds do. They keep their money in assets. They want to control the biggest companies in the world. The biggest companies in the world are here, I'm telling you. How do you get to be the biggest company in the world? Right? Everybody starts from somewhere. Where's GME starting from? The greatest story ever told. Right? What's the biggest company in the world at the minute? Let's do this shit off the top of our heads. We're stupid apes, but we're not that fucking stupid. How much is Apple worth? $2 trillion or something? Let me know in chat. Am I right? Am I close? Right? How many shares of Apple are there? Last I heard,
who's
there
in
was something in the region.
Whoa. Hold on. I'm gonna slow this down. Slow down. We're gonna. Can we make chat? Can we see who's in chat, or is that too blurry looking? How can I do that? Gotta make it bigger, right? Make that bigger. Make this. Damn it! You're not gonna be able to tell. But if I see someone's name in chat, I'm gonna let you know, though. Okay. I really wanted to see if someone's name would pop up.
Of 15 or 16 billion, right? 15 or 16 billion. How many shares are there of GME? How much do we know about this already, chat? 70 million of them. There's about 70 or 71 million real shares of GME. How much is it valued at the minute? A poxy $180, man. How much is it going to be worth on a market cap if we get to Rocky Outcrop target of $19 million? How much is that going to be worth, chat? It's going to be
I know you can't see it because it's blurry, so I just took it off.
Worth approximately $32 trillion, chat. What are we going to do when we're sitting with BlackRock as our ape buddies and Vanguard as our ape buddies on $32 trillion worth of assets? Well, what we're going to do probably is we're going to let Vanguard and BlackRock own what will become the biggest company in the world, while we then turn into paper-handed bitches at $19 million per share when we've reached a market cap of go fuck yourselves, everybody who didn't believe in this. And where does the money supply come from? That's for us. We're taking our share at that stage, not the entire company. BlackRock and Vanguard will want to hold on to what is the biggest company in the world based on its market cap, because it can fucking do shit when you've got that much money on hand. You're that size of a company. You've got that kind of liquidity. You've only got 70 million shares. You can dilute it 100 to 1 and you're still nowhere near Apple. You're still the biggest company in the world. And who are we talking about here? People like us. People like us. Not some stupid paper-handed bitch at 69,000.
Gotta add.
Or maybe.
Let's not hear. Let's just not hear the ad. Okay, how about that? Skip ad.
We hold on, and we say, chat. What do we say? We say we like owning the biggest company in the world. We like being the new Kongs of this
Jamie's
fucking market.
And
we hold on our shares, maybe at 19 million. And we say we like the company GME. But you know what? We like Apple, and we like the story we've just told ourselves.
Jamie,
we've just lived through.
Awesome.
We like the story that we've brought to our lives. We like that we've all made ourselves the heroes of our own lives and our own story. We like that we followed our own heroes to the fucking top of this thing. We're going to keep this company, and we're going to rename it Banana. We're going to rename it Banana. We're going to own the biggest company in the fucking world, and we're going to call it whatever the fuck we want. We're going to do whatever the fuck we want, because we're not listening to any of the shit that people put us through in 1998, in 2008, and they're trying to fucking do it again now. And we're not taking it anymore. We're not taking it anymore.
I remember this rant, man.
We know what you did. We know what you did to our communities. We know what you did to our country. We know you did to our countries. You know what you did to the insurance companies that were supposed to provide for people.
Bananas.
We know how you fuck things up now.
Rocky in there. You know he's always in there.
And you're going to get fucked up. And we're never, ever, ever going back to reasonable land.
Let's go.
Okay. So
love it.
That's your technical analysis for today.
I fucking love it, man.
It's Tuesday.
Yes.
The 18th of May 2021. Captain's log.
That is a good one. That's a good one. You want to let's see. Rocky's channel. Let's go here. Playlists. See one of my favorites of his. No, it's in videos. Gotta go back. Dude, these are awesome. If you haven't watched like any of Rocky's old school shit, it's well worth scrolling back if you have nothing to do. Hey, look at that. 5 months ago. I made that 5 months ago. Man. That's pretty badass though. 5 months. 5 months. You guys remember this?
Are you ready to bake?
Click join, get perks, become a channel member.
No.
Sticks. We like Adam Aaron.
Do we? I don't think we do anymore. I cut that out of my part of the song.
We like Ryan Cohen. We've even taken our beaten trees. We like buying stones.
I don't know if anybody noticed that I cut that out.
Stones and weed and bombs. Running when we buy 'em. Lethal poison for the hedge funds. No one in the markets has swagger like us. Deep fucking value trade spot and super stonk. We stack and hodl till 19 million bucks. Already squeezing up, ain't believing no FUD. No one in the markets has swagger like us. Deep fucking values trade spot and super stonk. We stack and hodl till 19 million bucks. Already squeezing up, ain't believing no FUD. All I wanna do is squeeze, 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 squeeze. Buy AMC and take their money. All I wanna do is squeeze, 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 squeeze. Buy GME and take their money. All I wanna do is squeeze, 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 squeeze. Buy AMC and fuck the hedgies. All I wanna do is squeeze, 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 squeeze. Buy GME and fuck the hedgies. Much love.
Wolfric, you've never seen that, dude. That's probably like one of my favorites of his. I gotta like, there's a couple. I mean, he's got some good ones, man. He's got some. He's got one there. Going, let's see. Let me find the other one. Let me find the other one. Man, I've watched all these. Pretty much every one of these. Where is it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Where is it at? Chainlink TA? Old school. Like 10 months ago. Like seriously, come on, where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Huh. Guess I'm not gonna find it, huh? That's crazy. Look at this, man. A year ago. A year ago. Let's see where it is. Almost exactly a year. 1 year, 1 year, 1 year, 11 months, 11 months. So we got the right here. Bitcoin price to 120 Xmas. Oh yeah, one year ago, Rocky. Hell yeah. Probably gonna make it there by Christmas. I haven't fucking crashed, dude. Chain link, dude. Yeah. So where is that video at? It's gonna make me mad. I'm looking all the way through here and I can't find the one video I want to look at. Look at glasses. Love them. Oh god, here it is.
Want to learn how to step up your options trading strategy
Sorry.
from your phone? This is going to change the game.
Hi friends, I'm Rocky Outcrop. I do GME and AMC technical analysis Monday to Friday live on YouTube.
You guys
come
remember
along
the
and
caterpillar?
interact with me, and I'm quite, open to educating people about stuff. So it's pretty cool, it's pretty nice, it's pretty good. I'm a former professional, worked in the investment banks and all that back in the day. So good, great, nice one. And what we're here to do at the minute is discuss
Great, nice
our
one.
friend, the caterpillar, and where, of course, he could be going. I'm going to run the intro clips, and be sure to take that time to hit the like button, because honestly, it helps an awful lot. I really appreciate it. And by the way, this is filmed during a live stream, and if you're watching this and the markets are still open, I'm still live. Come on over to the channel.
Man,
and
I
join
just
in.
missed you. It's
Like I said, good
5:56.
time to hit the like button right here, right now. It says crypto technical analysis up there on the screen. Yes, it does. I also do crypto. I also do this stuff as well. Cool. So what we have at the minute is the story of GME and where is it going? Where is GME going? Where is it going? And you'll notice that there's this ziggurat. Well, you notice there's this stair-stepping pattern on the charts here. I'll just hide off all the drawings real quick and show you that what I'm kind of intimating here is that there's an upward trend, obviously, some stair stepping along the way here, and then this period up at the top where there's a smiley face drawn on. That's the caterpillar's head, but of course that represents a peak here on the 10th of March or so, a peak here on the 8th of June or so, a basin in between, and a handle on the right. And of course that's a cup with handle pattern, and it's the two eyes or the peaks, the smiley faces, that etc. And that's what we're looking at there as it stair steps towards the top side. But where could it be going next? Well, there's one price target really that I'm looking at in terms of the here and now, and then there's the kind of the broader picture, or we'll call it the broader picture for now, and I'll get back around to explaining what I mean by broader picture in just a second. So the first target that I'm looking to is, and I'll do it by just using the caterpillar pattern here, right? The cup with handle pattern. Quite simply, really, looking between the highs, where you've got the lips of the cup, and the lows, and you can see that the highs were, say, $350, the lows $120. Let's just kind of look at it that way. So you've got 350 to 120. That's $230 or so. Well, if you take $230 and you stick it on top of 350, well, it takes you up to $600 or so. So a $600 target really on this one wouldn't be that shocking to see. Overall, if you were to take a measured move from that low high to this low and kind of pop it in over here at this point and say, well, that would take you up to around about $600 or so. So if we can get up towards the hairline of the old caterpillar, we're doing pretty well. That's our first target. Then we'll talk about the broader picture. And the broader picture is this, right? The broader picture is that you've got your caterpillar, okay? And he crawls along and he crawls up these steps. And he crawls up the steps, stair-stepping towards the top side. And eventually, he gets to the very top of the steps. And what does he find at the steps? Lo and behold, it's only a rocket ship. He finds a rocket ship at the steps. Now, this rocket ship has got a destination in mind. Not very many prizes out there for guessing what the destination is, but I'll just show you because it's on the chart here. Where is it? It's up here somewhere on the charts here. If we just zoom out a wee bit more, I'll find the price point. Yeah, there it is, the moon. Excellent. Join me for a live stream sometime, right? I really do genuinely try, okay? I try and make it entertaining. I genuinely care about you as an individual and a trader. I want you to have financial literacy. And of course, you know, I'm shadow banned by YouTube. I really need your help. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next. I'll see you. Just join me and I'll see you soon, right? Good stuff. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.
Loved it. I don't love those commercials though. But yeah. Rocky's old school. Oh, did I go one too far back? Up, up, up. Where's it at? Where's it at? With Houston. So, I mean, we can look at it real quick if you'd like. I don't know if I heard him. This is, it's Cardano. It's not GameStop. GameStop up here. What's that? Yeah, man, I don't know. That's tough, dude. That 173 was spot on. That when you called it out on the 173. Higher, high, da 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 da. Tough. That's tough. Bait buckets. I mean, I think that's why he got so emotional. Let's be honest. I'm not Rocky by no means, nor do I know how he thinks or whatnot. But I know he has a flash at the 171. But it's always that in the question: is it good enough? You know, or I don't know. You know what I'm saying? That's what we got. We waited this long. Surely can't. Yeah, I mean, in all honesty, I got I got the 173. So I got one at 173 just because I was hoping for it just to get there. So like actually 173.95 or something like that. Yeah, but I wouldn't like. That's tough, man. Like honestly tough. I'm a piss pants scaredy cat though. Yeah, like I wasn't gonna get like too like down to the penny style with it. You know what I mean? Like to see it go from 250, vast tab. All right, yeah. Um, mods, you know what to do. Those people that come in here and saying vast tab, please, moderators, every person here that has a blue name, will you please just ban them instantaneously? Thank you. Shit, I can do it too. Hold on. Sorry. There you go, Siki. Siki in my mind. Welcome to the mod squad. Bait buckets, why haven't you been added? And bait buckets, there you go. So yeah, like welcome to the mod squad. If I know you or someone knows of you or you know someone I know, then you're welcome. And people like you see Gary, Penny here and Thomas, you guys get the right to like do whatever you want to them. Like that one. Yeah. Better make sure this is the right person. I'm not getting rid of the wrong one. PayPal? Okay, I'll look at it. How long till Jamie comes on? Yeah. Get out of here. Hopefully I remove the right one. Whatever. Yep. Sweet. Alright, back to this. PayPal. Ooh. If you want to know, this is the 50 and the 200 MA moving averages in the 20 EMA. So the 20s right here, and this is the 50. So we're getting right across the 50 to the 20. We have crossed. Stay above it, then 1 hour. He said 2 hour flash. You probably have it because you probably have the extra. I'm guessing the flash is probably at 228. That's where I'd guess it was. I don't uh I don't have the extra data. Everybody else does. I give the money that I get to Rocky and Jamie. The extra I have. Try not to spend too much on other stuff. But I'm guessing that flash should be around 228 probably if it was somewhere on there. Right? Am I right? Here, flash is saying short me? Short me! Yeah, I don't know. It looks daily. It don't look good at all. Why do I have that there? Oh, that's that. Unless it comes back. Maybe it comes back. Man, it needs to come back up out of there. I'm incredibly loud. Oh shit, my bad. Move my mic away and turn it down. There we go. Is it better? Am I somewhat better? Too loud? Too low? thing about streaming. You never know how loud you are. That double top? Mm. Anyway, close enough. Well, flirt with the old 382, huh? Gap down at 236. Hmm. Looks like you got good horizontal support. Good support over here. 1, 2, 3. Ugh. Huh. How's the mic and stuff? Is it too loud still? Let me know. You being a murder, as Trace Spotting would say. A big one. Can't draw his murders, though. He has to draw the murders. It's a big one. This chart does looks like it fills its gaps, so. Did this thing turn around right here? Could it turn around, or could it just... It's looking about like every other chart of mine that I have. You know what I'm saying? Like, oof. Yeah, man, it's still... Ooh. Okay. Gonna put this right here. So I have it on there. All right. Sorry, I'll be right back. My son wants me to see his haircut, and he's pulling up to the front door. So I'm gonna go look at his haircut real quick. Let me entertain you with some Ronaldo.
And I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on in the trees, and you know what I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. dragonfly out in the sun. You know what I mean, don't you know? Butterflies are having fun. You know what I mean? Sleep in peace when day is done. Oh, you know what I mean? And this whole world is a new world and a bold world for me. Stars, when you shine, you know how I feel. Yeah. Scent of the vine, you know how I feel. Oh, freedom is mine, yes, and I know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. And I'm feeling good. And I'm feeling good. And I'm feeling good.
Woo! There we go. Good stuff. All right. So what I get out of the DI plus and DI minus, like the, it's like the ADX is like your relative, like your, is like your strength, right? It's like your, bait buckets, okay. So in the DI minus and DI plus is like, I always take in fact like when my DI minus or DI plus is run with my DI with my ADX up here in well, the flip the script right now, it'd look a lot better anyways than what we're doing. But you know all that stuff. You have to. Hey, what's up? Sag Zulu. How we doing? But wow, there's a big murder there too. Coming in testing. The previous, yeah, or the current DI plus action. I'm good. I am great. Just hanging out, waiting out. We're just kind of waiting around for trade spotting to get online so we can go watch someone do some actual TA. Not me. I just look at the things because they're fun. I'm in the process of learning. Very, very. I mean, if you want to look at my charts, I look at. This is what I look at. This is mine. This is my TA that I've done. This is like the, well, and I move stuff. You know what, Rocky? See, you're not the only person that moves stuff on live stream or draws things. I don't know how you get the drawing thing to stick. See, I didn't quite make this one. My TA was wrong there. See what I'm saying? Don't listen, because we're right here. But it could catch back up. Test 13.6. Man. Yeah. Charts like that. Charts like this. Things that look like they're in massive downhills. Fractals. No fractals. I don't do fractions of fractals or nothing like that. No, it's not for me. This is good. That closed back up there today. I was getting scared. Yeah, I've seen that, but then like when you hit it, like I always forget, like, oh, I can't move that, you know? I don't know. Kind of an OCD thing, right? Really? Like that. I was trying to move, I was actually trying to move that this time. Actually, I'm gonna get rid of this. Get that out of there. And what do you say? My colors are seasick. Getting you seasick? I'm colorblind, brother. So, oh, so you, all right? I can do that. Pretty simple. There you go. We'll go Rocky Outcrop. I'll make him. Oh no no. There you go. Make you feel better? Mm. I like that. It doesn't matter what they are to me, honestly. They all end up looking the same. I literally have to like focus in just to tell which one's which. That's why you always see me zooming in, zooming out all the time, because I have to like literally like be able to like actually see what they are sometimes. Demand line 360. Cover that. Meow. What's up, duo? How we doing? How we doing? Anything else? Anybody else want to look at besides this? What I looked at? I played this one yesterday and bought right here. I think I'm dumb, but whatever. I literally bought right or 29.50. Where's that? Where's that? Oh, no, it wasn't right there. Thought it was better than what I had. Okay, I bought right here. Sorry. Right there. I'll probably end up losing money on this one. I don't know. Just felt good. Felt real good. Sit down. Flash on the wall. Come on. Come on. Let's check the hourly. See what we did on hourly. Nothing good. What do you think about American Airlines? Haven't ever looked at it. If I could spell. Are you serious, Karen? Hey, Karen, I need to send you a soundbite. Because Ray is doing we're gonna do like the internet thing we were talking about. So yeah, you know what we was talking about. So Ray's making a part right now, and I need you to make a part too for the clip I got. And then we're gonna wire it to Brady, then we're gonna wire it to guitar, and then we're gonna present it. I mean, it just comes up and puts in a higher low, but a higher high here, it'd be bullish. Then come back and make a higher low. Say it comes back and retraces to like basically where you're at. So yeah, just say if it like did now, or just come back up here and come back and test it here, and that probably be right in there or something. I don't know. That's if it did that style. And if this here, and if this here ended up coming up here and doing a yonder, then going, oh, that's ugly. Just gonna make a white line. Doing that, then coming here. That's what you'd hope to see. Don't go down in there. And then going up. That's what you'd love to see. But yeah, you get the point. Anyways, this just makes it higher high and higher low. Be really nice. Could look to make it move up to 16, but like the rest of these things, it looked like they were decent at one time, like this right here. It came up and then just, what just happened? These were coming. Check the 4 hour on this. Not 3 hour, 4 hour. All right. Came up. The crunch is real. See, this would just keep coming. Turn down. Yeah, I don't know. Like I said, like it may just like come gap fill and come out of it. You know what I mean? And by that time, it'll hit your 50. Yeah, I don't know. I don't try and predict too far after that anymore nowadays. I just usually try and look at the next couple steps. Just saying, if in a the scenario I'd like to see it do would be, like I said, make a newer high right here, come up, just make a newer high and a higher low. And if it did that, like I said, just went up here, touched the 50 once, came back down. You know, right, 1, 2, 3, 4 points right here. Be 5 after that touch. Then you're hoping to look at test. I mean, test the 200, but like there's that gap, so you're looking at like 1941 if it played out that way. But it's like one of the things, man. You always gotta watch it, and that's why like Jamie and them are always trying to teach you like how to read the market and how it's working. Because man, it's sometimes shit just seems like it comes out of left field. And I don't know if that's just because like it's me being an early, no, not early, but early learning in trading, but. So, go ahead and draw a new one on. Alright. So, we're basically just above the 236. We're above the 236, so that's good. The 382 is above us, so we'd be testing the 50. Exactly. I guess the 50. Then coming to retest at 236 would be good. And then so that's what you'd like to see. Now whether it does that or not, I don't know. It's actually making sense to me today. Sometimes I get to like 50th time. Yeah, I know, man. Like I seriously was looking at it, my like this is no lie, dude. I talked myself into the opposite of what they actually was one night because I'd stared at the charts for like almost 12 hours straight. And I had to go back and watch the learning video. And I was like, what was I thinking for like 3 hours? I was thinking the totally opposite somehow, and I don't know how. And I think that's that part of like that dyslexic part of me. Like it just thinks things are something else than what they really are. Hood, you want to look at it? I was making it funny, but I said it's shorting itself. It's shorting itself to pay for all of its liquidities. I sent that to super chat today. Oh shit. Hmm. Someone's playing fucking games with these. Fucking shit. Really? Really? Alright. Hood. What's underneath the hood? Let's see. What's under... I really don't want this stock to do good at all, to tell you the honest truth, while we're looking at it. You know what I mean? I really just want to say, it looks like it's going to keep falling to dirt. I'd like to say that. Might be possible. I keep saying that. It just makes no fucking sense. Okay, I gotcha. Yeah, hood looks like shit. Sorry. The company is trash. Yeah. This is like one thing that like, if you look at the charts I'm into, like this one, see that? And you see that? You see that? And you see that? Those are charts I get into. Oh, and this one too? Let's give bigger time frames. I'll get into those companies, but I won't get into Hood. I'm sorry. I don't care if if it does have a chance to go back up. I hope it doesn't, honestly. Really hope it doesn't. Is trade spotting on yet? Still waiting on trade spotting. Man, where's he at? Is he becoming a midnight host? He's gonna be hosting like late night shows. Ah, so good, so good. Oh man. All right, let's gotta go back to here. Gotta go watch another. Do you guys want to watch Wow, kids are going wild downstairs. I've never understood the whole like screaming for no reason when you're just a kid. See the screen grab? Where'd you send me a screen grab to? On the tweet or here? Okay, one on tweet. Trade spotting after dark. I used to have when I used to game, we used to have a thing called Bad After Dark, and yeah, it was like all out brawl. Let's watch some funny cats. You watch funny cats? Alright, funny cat videos. Run it. Right. Oh shit. That was super loud, sorry. Oh, you got a link for me? Okay. You know, YouTube, you really do suck. You know that, right? Like, seriously. No one likes the ads. Like, oh, shit. Let's do the same. Hold on. Yeah, you can.
Come on.
That.
Come on, let's go. You better get up here.
Come check this.
One more time. Follow my step.
dog. Get the dog, Bubs.
你起来换我，换我，换我。来，给你我，给，咬吧，咬吧。那你再来。
啊？叔叔你错没有？啊？错没？
快过！快过！快过！快过！
有人。
Why you acting like a creep just standing there? Nigga, what the fuck? Don't touch me. Nigga, don't touch me, bitch.
Mikey, what are you doing? Nothing? I don't think it's nothing.
You got it, bud.
So cruel. Cats aren't the only thing that does that. I'm pretty sure I did that when I was a kid.
Oh my god.
I'ma tell you.
No.
Como el aire necesita verme, como a solo necesito yo.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Come on. Good.
Hi, Ichiro. Sorry, I didn't see you there. Sorry. Hello, Ichiro. How we doing?
Как тигр делает? Ох. Ох, какой.
Ooh, watch me. Ooh, watch me. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Oh.
Oh, you want to see that, huh? I think someone has that. Oh, trade spotting. Bye guys, you gotta go to trade spotting. I'm sorry. Just joking. He's at 45 minutes. Trade spotting is coming on. 45 minutes? He is becoming the midnight streamer. That guy's got to structure his sleep different now. But trade spotting's coming on. But yeah, I got something for you right here. I'm not like literally saying bye. I'm gonna stay in here and play games later. But I'm gonna tell you guys to watch him. What the heck is that?
哎，多听话，这小孩儿。你说妈妈，我就是小孩儿嘛，小朋友嘛，小朋友不得听话吗？
Oh, don't do it. Oh my god.
Hey! Niggas in my grill trying to phase me. Hey! Hello. Nice to see you.
Oh, what? It's nice to see you too. And I don't want to see you doggies no more. I'm sorry. Doggies, you was cute for a little bit, but I'm alright on that one. But this guy right here, you know him. Do you know this chap? This chap. This guy. You guys probably know what I'm about to play. But
Well, we'd be all right.
well, you know, gotta get it going.
Hey!
Hey!
Nice to see you. Well, we'd be all right. If the wind was in our sails, we'd be all right. If the wind was in our sails, we'd be all right. If the wind was in our sails, then we'll all huddle on behind. Oh, another higher high wouldn't do us any harm. Oh, another higher high wouldn't do us any harm. Oh, another higher high wouldn't do us any harm. And we'll all huddle on behind. Oh, we'll huddle on, and we'll make the bears go long. Oh, we'll huddle on, and we'll make the bears go long. Oh, we'll huddle on, and we'll make the bears go long. And we'll all huddle on behind. Well, a drop of Satoshi's blood wouldn't do us any harm. Oh, a Bitcoin or two wouldn't do us any harm. Oh, a drop of Satoshi's blood wouldn't do us any harm. And we'll all huddle on behind. And we'll huddle on, and we'll make the bears go long. And we'll huddle on, and we'll make the bears go long. Oh, we'll huddle on, and we'll make the bears go long. And we'll all huddle on behind. Oh, another lower high wouldn't do us any harm. Oh, another higher high wouldn't do us any harm. Oh, another higher low wouldn't do us any harm. And we'll all huddle on behind. And we'll huddle on, and we'll make the bears go long. And we'll huddle on, and we'll make
I'm sure
the
I'd
bears go
love
long.
to have a
And
drink
we'll
or two with everybody
huddle on,
here.
And we'll make the bears go long. And we'll all huddle on behind. Wow! And
wow!
Good to see you all. Welcome
see
to
you.
the show. My
It's good
name's
to see you.
Rocky Outcrop. This is your morning financial technical analysis show, which is a little bit late. Yes, it is.
Yes,
it's a
it
little
is.
bit late. Thanks for huddling on, and we'll huddle on, and we'll make the bears go long, and we'll huddle on, and we'll make the bears go long, and we'll huddle on, and we'll make the bears go long, and we'll all huddle on behind. Well, another job.
Gotta love the guy, alright? What else I got in here? Right here. Yeah, we'll play this one.
This cut has been analytically designed to break on radio, and it will. Sooner
Long time
or
ago,
later.
me and my brother. Long time ago, me and my brother. This is the greatest and best song in the world.
Here's the cut. Listen for it. Do you hear anything about AMC, please?
Long time ago, me and my brother. Long time ago, me and my brother.
Spotting. We like Ryan Cohen. We've even taken up eating trees. We like buying stones, sticks and stones and weed and bombs. Running when we buy 'em. Lethal poison for the hedge funds. No one in the markets has swagger like us. Deep fucking value.
I don't know if they're gonna be ready for this.
Guitar outside. This is spring. See the forest through the trees. I like to go there to a place where when it rains, they call it a monsoon.
Pirate ship, badass.
Under skies that could cry, gray out their eyes, set underneath my father's arms, heard my brother sing.
Brady, I just wanted to say, hey, I'm hopping off on a call with my brother, but nice to be here with you, man. Big fan.
Right on, man. Yeah, I'm sorry it took me so long.
There you go. There you go. Now you are live. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We got Brady, mother freaking Pearl.
Just take me away. Loving ain't hard, and living is easy. There's love in my heart. Just take me away. Lay me down in a field of nothing with no one around. I've had enough of everyone in this town.
Yeah, I made this one, Ryan.
I've had enough. Just lay me down. There's no change in the wind. There's no change in the weather. There's no telling when it all began, or if the end will be any better. Falling for you, babe. You know that I'm falling for you, babe. You know that I love you, I need you. Falling for you, babe. You know that I'm calling for you.
Yes, he
babe.
is.
I'm falling, I'm calling just to lay me down.
Lay me down.
Lay me down in a field of nothing.
Gotta get pre-gaming on.
I've had enough of everyone in this town. I've had enough, just lay me down. Look to the sky, I can't help but cry. I wonder why. I look to the sky, the weight of the world puts tears in my eyes, pulling me down. I can't help but cry. Lay me down in a field of nothing with no one around. I've had enough of everyone in this town. I've had enough, just lay me down.
Cool. Well, we did it, man. I'm really stoked. I'll check back in with you here not too long, and if Ronaldo or somebody jumps on, or anybody jumps back on and wants to do like a side by side.
Change what desire will make foolish people do. I never dreamed that I'd be somebody like you. I never dreamed that I'd lose somebody like you. Now I don't wanna fall in love. I don't wanna fall in love with you. With you. What a wicked game to play. Don't make me feel this way.
That's my favorite part about it, Karen. I love it. I called you the Aussie Ray Charles the Ray yesterday.
To let me dream of you. What a wicked thing to say.
Well, and you can see though, but yeah, you get my point.
Never felt this way. What a wicked thing to do. To make me dream of you now. I don't wanna fall in love. I don't wanna fall in love. No, I don't wanna fall in love.
I gotta see that soundbite too. That soundbite I just played of Rocky a while ago, I gotta send you that so you can listen to loop to it. Thank you for sure though, man. I'm just here to show off your guys' talents. I don't have any talents. I mean, I can video game, but I'm here to show you guys' talents off.
Change what desire.
As long as you guys get noticed, it's all that matters.
I never dreamed that I'd love somebody like you. I never dreamed that I'd lose somebody like you. No, I don't wanna fall in
Sexy
love.
as fuck.
No, I don't wanna fall in love. No, I don't wanna fall in love Nobody loves no one. You've got your mind made up, ain't nothing to see. Wondering why I'm smiling, looking like I'm dumb money. See, I've earned my chips.
I don't know what happened there.
Screamed in pain. All the while fighting your denial like I don't ever see the game.
But yeah, I guess I'm deranged, but I'm gonna hold.
I've been down much longer than you have been gone. Keep on paying no mind. I'm setting the mind. Best believe I know my hands are diamond. Our future is shining. My hands are diamond. Never bet against me. Yeah. All that money you spent to hedge your bet, but your mistake is my take from my play against your greed. See, I know you tried and conspired. Your degenerate ways on full display. It's a shame how foolhardy. I guess I'm done.
And one of these days, after this is all over, this would be the biggest song in the world. People won't even know what hit them when they hear this, when this gets out there. Ronaldo Moreno, a great mind of music, along with the side of KP on a piano and guitar outside, and Brady Pearl playing the guitars and singing too. Sounds like a beautiful symphony to me, and I can't wait. KP, you know we're gonna, I didn't know, like, Ronaldo asked me if Sunday at the same time would be okay with you. Or Sunday. I asked him Sunday, and I'm guessing he figured the same time. So if you are available Sunday, we're gonna make that thing I was telling you about. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it as a group. I'm gonna try and do something in it. I'm gonna try and figure out what I can do in it. Definitely gonna put me a little something into it. So like we're gonna be doing so this is, I mean, I'm sure Rocky's not in here. Rocky, you're not in here, are you? Let's give it about 10 seconds. He'd say yes if he was, because he'd feel obligated. You have to. Okay, Rocky, are you in here? Because otherwise he's not going back and watch my video live. Let's see. Sometimes it makes me wonder. I wonder. Merrick, it was you. Was I talking about remember how weird was it that morning? We were talking about when in doubt, zoom out. Then Rocky says the same damn thing the same day, and it freaked me out. It weirded me out. I was like, what the hell? All right, Rocky's not in here. So, anyways, this is the clip. We're gonna make this into a song for Rocky.
Well, we'd be all right if
we're gonna take Rocky's voice. I'm gonna cut it up, but for the main part, we need you to do a background keyboard for it.
Oh, another higher high wouldn't do us any harm. Oh, another higher high wouldn't do us any harm. Oh, another higher high wouldn't do us any harm. And we'll all huddle on behind.
For sure, Merrick thought he was in the stream on me on that one. I was like, what? And I thought he was throwing a blow at me. I was like, oh man.
And we'll make the bears go long. And we'll all huddle on
He's being serious and didn't know anything. I was like, okay.
She's blood wouldn't do us any harm. Oh, a Bitcoin or two wouldn't do us any harm. Oh, a drop of Satoshi's blood wouldn't do us any harm. And we'll all huddle on behind. And we'll huddle on. And we'll make the bears go long. And we'll huddle on. And we'll make the bears go long. Oh, we'll huddle on. And we'll make the bears go long. and we'll all huddle on behind. Oh, another lower high wouldn't do us any harm.
Oh, you can't
oh,
see it.
another higher high wouldn't do us any harm. Oh, another higher low wouldn't do us any harm. And we'll all huddle on behind. And we'll huddle on. And we'll make the bears go long. And we'll huddle on. And we'll make the bears go long. And we'll huddle on. And we'll make the bears go long. And we'll all huddle on behind. Wow! And good to see yous all. Welcome to the show. My name's Rocky Outcrop. This is your morning financial technical analysis show, which is a little bit late. Yes, it is. It's a little bit late. Thanks for huddling on. And we'll huddle on. And we'll make the bears go long. And we'll huddle on. And we'll make the bears go long. And we'll huddle.
But anyways, I need to send that to you, and here, I'll put the link. Copy. Tell me if it works, because it says if I give the link out, it's private video, but it says as long as I share the link to whomever, so whomever's in here, if they want to keep that link for that clip, they can. There's the link for it. Let me know if it works, though. If it doesn't work, I'll just have to send it one by one. That would suck. I don't think I have any more, like, video details, what else did I do? Oh, tadpole art, look at this. This is something I did.
Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, known as ADHD, is a mental disorder that affects an individual's ability to focus.
Hey, you guys remember that when we did the tadpole, like, I did with all of our tadpole art video? You guys want to see it? Hey, how we doing, Ghost? Hi, Kimmy, yo.
Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, known as ADHD, is a mental disorder that affects an individual's ability to focus.
Gotta tell myself another lie.
Stupid little clips I made. What are you saying no about, Kimmy, yo? Kimmy, oh, sorry. Yeah, I'll forget about that. It's gone. But yeah. See what else? Anything good? Nothing. Nothing. Trade spotting coming on soon. 22 minutes. Let's see what we got going on in the trade spotting chat. Oh, look, there's Duo. There's bait buckets. Bait buckets. Yo! My O button doesn't work half the time. Well, I see you. Yo, it's good enough. There we go. The clip art thing? Yeah, I did the clip art one, yeah. It was just,
Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, known as ADHD, is a mental disorder.
I didn't do the whole art. It was just everybody.
Gotta tell myself another lie.
That was just everybody did the tadpole games. I just put it all in one little clip. Just to have it for future, you know.
Thank y'all for tuning in. This is a song called Hurricane.
Listen to some music for the last 20 minutes and talk. How about we do that? Does that sound good? We'll listen to some Ronaldo, listen to some of that. We'll just talk before Jamie comes on. Then when Jamie comes on, Jamie's
it's such a
description and channel is in my description. Actually, I posted his description in my description. So if anybody needs to know how to donate to Jamie or anything, it is actually in my description. You can donate to Jamie, or if you need to know how to get there and find them, it's in the description. But everybody knows how to do that here.
What I'm trying to mimic
That's
is
for the
the
new
tick
people.
of the rain on a window. And so
Just
usually
waiting
I
on
start
him.
off with this
I'm like
tune,
the
'cause
guy
that
that
gets me
directs
settled.
traffic,
I have
you know?
I can't get distracted. I have to just sit.
Can't direct traffic without you and no. Oh.
Anyways, we're here now.
Okay. Just making sure, you know what I mean?
The clouds open up, water touches the window pane, falling sweetly, but not discreetly, to remind you that
That's what it says on the thing. It says 20 minutes.
you're not alone. You are not alone. The light flickers from across.
He had most of the stuff set up yesterday. He had.
I'm mesmerized, I'm captivated.
Yeah, he had most of
by
the
the
stuff set up
shadows
yesterday.
that dance upon your walls. If I could taste your sweetness with the pebbles in my hand,
Sounds good, man.
each one made for your attention.
That sounds amazing right now.
The
Like,
water
I
falls
thought about
upon
like
my
going making some
face to remind me
that's
that
kind of how
I am
I
not
felt about you
alone.
today. I want to make it some ramen noodles.
To remind me that I am not alone. So I stand here and I wait and stand in the rain. I said I stand in the rain. And two storms collide. There's so much meaning in all of this. And I look to the moon to tell me where you've been and what you've done. Because I don't know if I can wait the whole night.
You guys want to see like
Waiting for you to open your eyes to see me.
This is who I am video I made a long time ago about the gamers that I tried helping out. You guys would like to see the gamer promotion video. It's like the only ones I got with me hitting golf balls.
So I stand here.
Oh yeah, I did Capital Games trade spot is that one.
And stand in the rain. I said I stand in the rain. The wind may fall, the walls will crumble, but I will always be there. And no matter how long it takes, I swear, I said I will always be waiting, 'cause only I know the meaning of the salt on my cheeks, yes. Only I know, I said, the meaning of the salt on my cheeks, but I stand here and I wait here and stand in the rain.
You good?
I said I stand in the rain. Yeah.
You good?
I stand in the rain.
Probably do what I do every night.
In the rain.
Something before I go to bed. one. You guys want to see the one? Bitcoin. Oh, here's me golfing. You guys want to watch me golf? Let's golf.
You're about to see something crazy.
Oh shit. Who's that guy?
Far enough? I hope so.
I hope so.
I don't want to be on that. There's a hill right in front of that.
Dude, Ray's amazing.
All right, here we go.
Oh my god. You crushed that.
Funny fucking video. You got this. Probably really good to watch all this because trade spotting will start. But here's this.
Chat pulled
I
up.
made this.
Yeah, so I have no idea who's here and who's not.
Because for everything I do it for a reason, and the reason is I want everyone that has the same goal as me and just want to do better for themselves. I will be there for you and always will help as much as I can. So I made this video for you, and sorry if I did not get you in the clip, and I have donated to you, but I remember you.
Welcome back, guys. Like I said, today's stream's gonna be a little short stream, a little 3.5 hour stream, no big deal and nothing like that, but we will be back on tonight. There we go.
Ready to get after it tonight.
Holy shit! Oh my god, Bad coming in with a massive fucking $100 donation. Bro, we're gonna slay tonight, dude. I don't know what we're gonna do. I'll do whatever you guys want, to be honest. If y'all wanna play the sword mode or not, I don't give a shit, but we're definitely gonna slay, man. We honestly had a lot of action last night for quads, which was crazy because normal quads usually been slow, but fucking hell, Bad coming in with the 100 bomb. We're gonna eat tonight. We're gonna feast. It's gonna be disgusting. Yo, thanks, Tommy. About time, right?
Tonight's drink is only cheers.
Holy shit. Bad. Oh my god, Bad coming in with another $100 donation, bruh. Oh, drinks on me. Cheers. Thank you, my dude. Thank you, brother. Yeah, that's actually one of the things I'm gonna do on my break is go knock up on some alcoholic beverages. I think we're gonna get some Jameson. We're gonna get back into that. That'll be fun. There's a lot of good memories there.
Be right back. I use the restroom.
You know. Wow. I'm gonna say Bad. Thank you, my dude, for another donation. Dude, thank you again, Bad, for the massive support, brother. If you guys haven't already, please hashtag it for Bad Mima Jam in the chat. Ho! Here's two more years. Keep kicking ass. Keith, thank you, brother, for the love, man. Please hashtag it for Keith in the chat. Give him some love. Thanks, my dude. And oh shit. Keith, thank you, brother. Here's the 2 more years. Tonight's gonna be lit, dude. Bad Mama Jamma dropping another $200. Wow. For the 2 years of happiness on Grey Goose, not okay. Let's do it. Grey Goose night for you, bruh. Are you mixing it with anything? You're just chugging that shit straight. I haven't drank vodka straight in fucking like a decade. Holy shit. Thank you. I don't know what to say. What do I say? What are the words that come to my mouth? Bad Mama Jamma, Keith, guys, thank you, dudes, for the support. Holy hell. Wow. 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 I don't know what to do with my hand now. He wants insane. He loves insane. Guys are fucking insane, okay? You guys are insane. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say, man.
Now this is insane, but I support other streamers like this support me.
Yes, yes, I do.
Kutcher, get out. Come. Get out of here, Ashton. I know you're here because I'm being pumped clearly. Clearly. Holy shit. Bad coming in with the. It came due right. Wow, I'm like a breath. Take my breath away. Holy shit, dude. I don't know what to say, dude.
Yeah, that was $800 so far to this guy.
Advertising the Cry Ducks.
He like came in. This guy came into my stream one day, and I had like 2 people watching me. He had like 200 to 500 people watching him at a time. And he said, "Hey man, you want to play some Warzone with us?"
Holy crap, man!
And I was like, "What?" He goes, "Yeah, you look pretty cool. You want to come play some Warzone?" And I was like, "Hell yeah, I do." So his next stream, I went and like donated him this stuff.
That's insane, man. That's insane. That's crazy. Back on at 6 o'clock until I decided to pass out, and
On the real though, you're a great guy and appreciate the reach out. You don't know how much that meant to me, so I show in return.
bruh.
Jamie on you? Sure, everybody doesn't want to see me.
Dude!
We got 7 minutes, then Jamie's on.
Of course, bad. Of course, brother.
I will make you guys watch this.
Oh, man. I don't even know what to say, dude. I don't even...
I was still doing pretty good.
Oh, thank you for the compliment.
Actually...
And dude, thank you again for another $500 donation.
Now.
Like, dude. Holy shit, man. Wow. Oh shit, Bad Image Hammer dropping the $500 donation. Dude. Bruh. Ho! Oh, wake up, shit. Oh my god, dude. Dude, of course, Bad. Of course, brother.
Oh, he's not.
Now, I've been looking at streams for a few days before, and because we just need people to play with on the regular, and I've been looking for other streamers, man. I saw you, and I was like, damn. Not only is he a sexy beast, but he slays too. Shit. We gotta get him on the team, man. Brother, holy crap, man. Thank you for the fuck, man. Wow. Dude, I don't know what to say. Thank you is not enough. Thank you physically not enough, man. Day by day. Bad Mama Drama dropping the membership too. He's like, you know what? Here's another thing. Brother, thank you, man. I can't. Words can't. There's just words can't describe the appreciation for you. Not only you, but the entire fucking wolf pack, bro. You guys are crazy.
Hella Bad drops Mr. Beast style money and takes the top.
Dude's awesome as shit.
Keep being you and doing what you do. Best live streamer around.
Bruh.
Like and subscribe for this bad man.
Keith dropping the facts. Keith, bad dudes. hashtag it in the chat for Keith and Bad, please. Bad made my jammer drop another 700. Now the Bad drops Mr. Beast style money and takes the top. What is that a total of? What is? Holy fuck! Two grand. Is that what that says? Oh, shit. Keep coming to 5. Keep doing you, or keep being you and doing what you do. Best live stream around. Like and subscribe to this man. Thank you, beautiful. Keith coming in with another one. Pat coming with another one. I'm just completely at a loss and humbled. And I don't get humbled because I'm an asshole. Dude, how can I even play the game? I feel like I should just sit here and stare at the monitor. Oh, thank God for the AVR. What a clutch thing you
Cheers to you, what you're doing for me, my dream. You really don't know how grateful I am, and the only way I can show cause I don't cry.
Jesus Christ. Holy shit, Bad dropping another $700 donation. Cheers to you, what you're doing for me. My dream, you really don't know how grateful, I can't even read right now, how grateful I am, man. Only way I can show, because I don't cry. I don't cry either. I don't cry. Bad. Dude, my German Shepherd's like, what's wrong, man? Nothing's wrong, man. Bad. Oh my God. Coming in with another $700 donation, brother. Dude, thank you so much, man. Holy shit, dude. It's a crazy dream we have. It's a crazy dream, bro, but it's worth every second. Every second, man. Holy shit. Guys, please hashtag it up for Bad in the chat again. Give him some love, man. So that's how I read it. That's how I read it, Kyle.
Here's to all this roll.
Kyle, much love, brother. Thank you for working and lurking, my dude. Yo! Bad! Oh! Bad coming at the 350, making total of $3,000. Oh my God.
Come on, guys. If I get away with this, I'll be surprised.
Bad Mama, did you just donate $50? Or am I reading something wrong?
No, not me.
I feel like crying. I actually feel like I'm
actually just started streaming again. She recently she had stopped for a while. I just started recently seeing her come back out of the blue. with the katana. Hey, Sauce, how we doing, brother?
Guys, please can we get up like a massive thumbs up, hashtag, whatever you want to do for Bad Mama Jammer.
Oh shit, that's loud.
Just donated
Sorry.
a very large amount of money. I am so grateful.
Sorry about that. I didn't know how to edit videos very well back in the day.
Don't make me cry. Oh, what have you done? Bad Mama, what have you done? Check it one more time. Stop it. Oh, Bad Mama, stop it now. So, I'm actually gonna weep. That's actually really kind thing to do. Thank you. I'm crying. I'm crying on live stream. Oh, well, I didn't expect this today. What a lovely person.
This is coming out of your end.
Before you go, Claire, you know what to do.
Oh man. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna grab a drink real quick. Someone told me I was too loud. Someone told me I was too loud earlier. So I turned it down.
Life is already full of surprises, but your tuition shouldn't be one of them. At University of Phoenix, you can count on fixed, affordable tuition from enrollment to the day you graduate from your program. Learn more at phoenix.edu.
Yes, we've been talking about it for months. We'll go over what it looks like is going to happen next. And as I say, answer any of your questions. Thanks very much to Diana, who sent me the TRADESPOTTIng CD. It's appreciated. That was to the PO box link in the description. Thank you very much. Anybody who's donating, you know that you can do it fee free if you click down there. Thank you. Everybody who supports the channel, also there's Patreon, so thanks if you do any of those things. I also have a course starting first class tomorrow. The link is in the description and in chat. It's the first class. First people who sign up for the first cohort, they'll get coaching extra, and it begins very soon. So if that's something you were looking for and you asked for and you've been asking for ages, this is it. It's starting soon. Get yourself signed up. If you've got any questions about it, we'll cover it later a little bit and I'll try and get around to them. But for now, let's take a look at the charts. Here we are, GameStop 1 minute time frame. As it started today, you can see that we finished at 181 spot 56, and in post market we're at 181
they went
spot
around
50.
and
This price
donated to
action will
streams
evolve
that no
as
one
we
really
go
knew about.
through the day,
I
and
feel
we'll
like-
pick out lessons
yeah, I feel
that
like that's
speak
just
to
happened to me.
continuation or reversal of the trend. Play, as you can see,
Yeah.
price action started the day still inside this speculative wedge / channel we drew. You're below all your important moving averages, simple exponential.
I
Touch the
think
bottom side of this horizontal support.
Jamie started.
All
right, guys.
Support at the same time you started moving
Sorry.
up with the bearish control zone on the RSI. You're touching the top level of that downward sloping supply line.
Jamie's here
Got
and
a
I'm
test
here.
then of that trend on the DMI with
Hi,
the DI
Jamie.
positive taking control. In terms of the MACD, you've not seen any real significant momentum. Continuation of that downward trend expected. Here you are, price action at horizontal, can't break above it, nor can it break through this diagonal directly. It skips along beside it. We have our flash at 181 spot 1, so this is a volatile area and you can expect moves from here, whether that be to the top side or the bottom side. I still anticipate that we might go slightly lower. That all happened on the 1 minute time frame. As you can see, we rested above the center line on the RSI. You've got a period of volatility coming in as defined by Rocky Outcrop's take on the DMI, and then here on the MACD you've got not very much momentum. So the previous trend is that which still might lead the future moves. On the 15-minute time frame here, you can see that wedge in all of its glory.
No, man.
Price action test in the bottom, gone through all these previous horizontals that we've defined as important. If you haven't tuned in before or you're new here, thanks so much. If you're found me from a recent Reddit or Twitter post, thank you so much. It's really appreciated. All the support really helps every second. Please hit the like button. Thanks. And to everybody who's been here before, thanks, man. Thanks, guys. Right, so the 236 Fibonacci above here, that's one area where you might see congestion in prices. There are horizontals, of course, looking left with price action, measured moves from previous formations. We're still really within this wedge to any significant degree. I wouldn't call this a breakout, certainly not emphatic. And the horizontal that takes precedent, especially on this time frame. So perhaps continuation of this, and we come down to these lower levels. As you can see, that's another one we've marked out on the chart. These have all been drawn in before price action got here. Sometimes that people find that unbelievable when they see it, but you can go back and watch these videos. They're all there every single day. I cover these charts on AMC and GME. So And then we most recently hit this one. We're still within this pattern. These horizontals, I suspect, might be pay more attention to these over the next wee while. 170, 169. That's a potential note area to get to. Having got down already and touched this bottom side of the support, running diagonally and broken through this horizontal, I wouldn't bet against us coming down one more leg, and I wouldn't really look to this. With regards to trend, I'd be talking about these areas looking left. 167 on the 15-minute time frame. It's quite clear there that that's the most recent low was before this move up in our highs. So retracing back to an area around there, but slightly higher, would still be positive and maintain this positive structure, despite the fact that on this time frame you have been in a downward trend and are below all your important moving averages, which signifies that, speaks to it. Your momentum has not yet changed, though you can say recently you've had lows on price action that are lower than previous lows, continuation of that trend. But with regards to momentum, you've got higher lows. And momentum, of course, is a measurement of the rate of change, so that has to change ahead of the price action. As such, you'd likely see some sort of divergence there should price action start to go up again. Having hit this level, having seen some divergence is positive. You haven't hit the 200 period moving average, so you might go to there. That would be the top side measured move from this wedge. If you were to take it from the top first touch to the top to the first touch of the bottom, that measured move would take you up around to the 50% line of this Fibonacci retracement. So do you get there? Do you stall at the 236? Do you come in at that 200 period moving average? Do you check out at the 382 and the 179? I would suggest maybe you then do come straight back down here to the 169, 171. And that is something that's worth paying attention to before we get too excited with this being a high or low. And if you are to define the structure of your chart and put that around a reliable support and resistance and try and draw higher lows and lower highs and so on to define trend, then you want it on a robust time frame, and the hourly is the first one you'll find of those. So if I turn off the drawings, then you can see that this is obviously higher. You want it to be higher than this area looking left. That's in the high 160s, 167, 44 up to around 170. So you want to be higher than there. And on that hourly time frame, if we then do zoom in again, because, you know, it's not all about fitting things on the screen at any one time. That's not what the time frames are for. No, so you look left, you can see there's a gap